We're not even having carrots for dinner tonight. This is not on the menu. If we do any more takes, oh my God, we're gonna have, look, all of you out there are gonna say, you know, how many carrots do you all cook up just for yourselves?
And the beans will be mortar.
Yeah.
Hello.
They're getting a little solid.
Do a little stick. They have been rendered down. Isn't that what they call it when the liquid is gone? Wait a minute, I could have drank that.
Oh, I have more. Oops. Oh, it made a foam. All right. Hey, Paula Dean, have you tried beer beans?
No, I haven't, Mr. Emerald Lagasse. Show me. Let me have a taste.
Well, you sure got that word out. Taste! Actually, it does look